La la la. La 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 la. Ha 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 ha. La 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 la. La la la. Oh my goodness, Freedom, you're doing your singing. Alright guys, a little bit of afternoon craziness. So Freedom and I were spending our whole entire summer, I swear to God, dealing with palmetto bugs. Those are large cockroaches. We've had ants. I'm very allergic to ants and spiders. And this morning I had a, what's it called, Freedom? Mediterranean gecko, a real small one. I rescued that from the inside and put it on the outdoor side. But I'm just telling you, we're like inundated this year. 2020 has been the year of the bugs. It's been horrible. And listen, we're well aware the songbirds outside need the bugs, but we can't have them inside, and it's dangerous to Freedom. You know, the type of spiders you can have. What is it? The brown recluse? How do you say it? Recluse spider, and black widows. Blah blah blah. And we deal with some big spiders, the wolf spiders, and we had a house spider problem, and it's been tough, right, Freedom? God, it's all we do is take care of insects that are not supposed to be on the inside of the condo. Okay, so, but Freedom is singing. Freedom, what you doing? La 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 la. I love it. Okay, guys, now when we're in the car, we listen to Top 40. Freedom will say, woo! Right, Freedom? You have fun in the car. At the condo, we try to maintain a low profile. In the evening, listen to strictly instrumental jazz or light jazz or, you know, Steely Dan, you know, tone down songs that we can sing to. Freedom loves George Benson, etc. All right, we're signing off live, and in the background, might as well take a look here. I'm literally sitting on the ground, not kidding. Woo! This is some bird figurines from around the world. My cousin Nancy had some of these, and we got seashells. Of course, we're at the beach, right, Freedom? Say, I'm a beach bird. We got the seagull with the wings open with two little babies in the nest. That's from Pete and Nancy up in Ohio. The loggerhead turtle. We got a white bird from Diane. It's like a ceramic, beautiful seashell. And a roseate spoonbill. Hooray. Okay, Freedom, we're signing off live. Have a great day.